National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a winter storm warning for Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, in effect from 12 p.m. Monday until midnight Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Areas affected in timing, blustery, cold and dangerous weather conditions will persist across the Warndale within the next 30 hours. Blustery cold winds, below freezing temperatures, ice accumulation on roadways, and snow accumulation of 6 to 9 inches is expected. It is recommended that you stay indoors and do not venture outdoors. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you are properly dressed for the cold. Exposed skin can become frostbite in a matter of 30 minutes.
Side down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Hey, baby. Paper baby, la 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 la. Paper baby, la 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 la. Paper baby, la 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 la. Paper baby, la la.
A winter storm warning will go into effect at 12 p.m. Monday. Higher snow and ice accumulation is now being forecasted. Approximately 9 to 12 inches of snow and a half-inch of ice on roads is expected. Even a half-inch of ice on the road is slippery enough to wipe a high-profile vehicle off of the road. Do not travel. If you must travel, keep a winter survival kit in your vehicle, including a flashlight, food, water, and a fully charged cell phone to call for help in case you get stranded.
How many tears will you waste while finding the truth? Into the fire you fall. If only you could make it right. Stand up and fight for resolve. If only you could make it right. Into the fire you fall. If only you could make it right. Stand up and fight for resolve.
This message is transmitted at the request of Rock County Emergency Management. Travel on roadways today is strongly discouraged. Road conditions are extremely dangerous, and accumulation of ice is already on the road along with 3 inches of snow. In order to limit use of the roads today, all public transportation methods are being suspended until the winter storm threat has diminished.
Take me home tonight. I don't wanna let you go till you see the light. Take me home tonight. Listen, honey, just like a running sign. Be my little baby. Oh, oh, oh. I can't find a taste in all the stuff.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a blizzard warning for Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, in effect from 6 a.m. Tuesday until 3 p.m. Wednesday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Areas affected in timing, heavy snowfall and ice totals along with below-bone chilling temperatures are forecasted. Snow accumulation of 15 to 20 inches, and ice accumulation of around 2 inches is expected. Temperatures are expected to range of 20 to 40 degrees below zero, with a wind chill reading of 50 to 60 degrees below zero. Do not venture outdoors. Even if properly dressed, you could freeze to death. Travel is deemed impossible. Do not travel. Most roadways across Rock County are being closed, limiting traffic on open roads. Do not travel.
My girlfriend's out of town and I'm all alone. Your boyfriend's on vacation and he doesn't have to know, no. No, welcome to the things I'm gonna wanna do, you know. Shout aloud, scream aloud, and let me hear you go. Baby, I like it, the way you
A state of emergency has been declared for the following county in Wisconsin, Rock. State Governor Scott Walker has declared a snow emergency due to extremely dangerous winter weather conditions across Rock County. 1.5 inches of ice has accumulated on the road along with 12 inches of snow. 9 inches of snow has fallen since the winter storm warning was canceled. All roads that either leave or enter Rock County are closed. Therefore, all travel is being prohibited by law. Anyone that is caught driving on the road will be arrested. It is recommended that you stay at home. Leave all doors and windows locked. Even if you attempt to shovel your driveway, you risk a heart attack due to heavy snow and hypothermia. Do not leave your home.
far away from you. You turn away from all the
This message is transmitted at the request of Edgerton Police. A train has derailed in the town of Edgerton. The derailment has caused damage within a 2-block range of the railroad. Do not approach the derailed train. Stay indoors and listen for updates on this situation.
fears. But I will hold on hope and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I
This message is transmitted at the request of the Rock County 911 Dispatcher's Office. The use of 911 as an emergency line is being suspended. Due to down phone lines, the majority of Rock County's landlines have blacked out. If you have an emergency, call 911 on a cell phone. Once again, do not use your landline.